I'm Mark Lucas,
I'm Jake.
I'm Aaron.
and our robot follows green.
Well, when it sees green, it moves forward. It does different things when it sees different colors.
Okay.
So if it sees green, it'll move forward. If it sees red, it should beat. And if it sees pink, it'll spin in a circle
And play
make
dinosaur
a-
noises.
Yeah, be a dinosaur.
Okay.
All right. And if it doesn't see a color, it'll rotate a little bit to try and find some. So if it misses this first one, we'll have to.
Should I make it miss first, or?
No, make it hit the first one. It's harder to hit it the second time.
Also, you got the most distance with green right there.
All right, so that time it saw green.
Change the picture. Alright. Read it, read it, read it.
Yeah, it takes the picture as soon as it further rotates.
Too far. That
It should be.
so red.
Dang it. Here, you do this.
Does it take a picture of it?
It does. It depends. It's not there. That's
I'm
unfortunate.
gonna make it not turn.
There we go.
Computer.
The dinosaur.
There you go. It's hard to follow it though. It spins too fast.
But it does just search out colors and does specific tasks.
For each color. So anything you found particularly hard?
Having it find the color.
Yeah.
It took us a whole day.
We had to make a box of like, and then find the average value. of all
Once
these.
we managed to find out how to get it to read colors, it was really smooth sailing from there. But
Okay.
just
When the light in the room changes, we have to go back and change things because it gets different values.
because you have to change the art, the red, green, and blue values. So it's just like
It was a pain.
major pain, but we wanted to do something crazy.
Well, good. Thank you very much.